it's not far down to paradise. At least it's not for me. If the wind is right, you can sail away, find tranquility. Oh, the canvas can't do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe me, it's not far to Never, Never Land. No reason to pretend.
Just to the right of that, you can see a large white seawall and that bell tower. This is the largest privately owned estate in Clearwater. It takes up over one whole city block. This is the Century Oaks Estate. Originally, this was the old Fort Harrison naval fort used back during the Seminole Wars. Since then, it has been converted into a private residency with over 66 rooms, an Olympic-sized swimming pool, basketball courts, tennis courts, and just about any other amenity you can think of. Recently, it was owned by former race car driver Nigel Menzel. When he owned this property, he actually converted that bell tower into a playroom for his kids. This is the Spottiswood Estate, originally built for military engineer Donald Roebling. He was the head engineer behind the U.S. military's first amphibious vehicles. But the most interesting thing about this property is that boat garage. If you were to get this big old boat in that little garage, you would see a Prohibition-style tunnel that connects the boat garage underground through the center of the kitchen. Back in the day, boats would slide into this boat garage under the cover of nightfall, unload a cargo full of illegal booze, and slip out the back like nothing ever happened.
I've always heard
All right, if you're looking to get into a little trouble tonight, look no further than Shepherd's Beach Resort. This is one of the many former properties of Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise was married to Katie Holmes when he lived here, but we know how that story ended. They got divorced. Miss Katie ended up winning this house in the divorce and has since sold it and moved elsewhere. And poor old Tom Cruise was forced to move to one of his other many properties. Construction on this bridge started in the early 2000s. They started building this bridge from either side, working their way towards the middle as you usually do with bridges. However, when they arrived at the middle, they were off. They were off by about 1 vertical foot. They could find no way to make up this difference. They had to tear down the structure and start over again, over tripling the entire budget.
At least it's not for me. If the wind is right, you can sail away, find serenity.
Costing the city of Clearwater just over $90 million. Signature move that they'll do. They'll slap the fish with their tail, and then go in. Oh man, get it. Get it.
Yeah, this one here, the two fish tacos.
What, 2 of them or 1 of them?
Oh, just one.
You know, group or sea bass?
Sea bass.
What was the...
Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic anytime that we're together. I make I just love you and hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand. Hold you for my